All right, hello everyone, and welcome to the Great Earth Quiz. Are you ready to have some fun and see how much you know about our amazing planet? Let's find out together. Okay, so here's the deal. It's super simple. I'm going to ask a question. You'll get 5 seconds to think about it, and then bam, we'll show the answer. It's all about having a little fun and maybe learning something new. Sound good? Let's kick things off with round one. Okay, first question up. What exactly is the Earth's rotation and what big thing does it cause to happen every single day? Your 5 seconds starts now. And the answer is rotation. Yep, our planet is constantly spinning on this invisible line called an axis, kind of like a basketball on a finger. That 24-hour spin is what gives us day and night. It's the whole reason the sun seems to rise and set. Pretty cool, right? Awesome start. Now for question number 2. What is revolution, and how in the world does that lead to a leap year? Think about it. You've got 5 seconds. Time is up. So revolution is Earth's big trip around the sun each year. But here's the tricky part. It actually takes 365 times and a quarter days. So to keep our calendars on track, we just collect those 4 quarter days, and every 4 years we add 1 extra day to the calendar. And that's how we get February 29th. You guys are on fire. Let's dig in a little bit with this one. What is the crust of the Earth? You know the drill. 5 seconds on the clock. And the answer is the Earth's crust. It's exactly what it sounds like. The hard, rocky outer layer of our planet. It's the ground we walk on, the mountains we climb, and even the floor of the ocean. It's our home sweet home. All right, last question of round 1. We call our planet Earth, but how much of its surface is actually covered by water? Let's see what you think. 5 seconds? Would you look at that? A whopping 71%. That's almost 3/4 of our entire planet. It really shows you why they call it the blue planet, doesn't it? You absolutely smashed round 1. Seriously, great job. But we're not done yet. For round 2, we're going to get our hands dirty and talk all about the ground below. Let's do it. Okay, round 2, here we go. Let's look right under our feet. Can you name the 4 main layers of soil, starting from the very top and going down? You've got 5 seconds. And the layers are topsoil, right at the top, then subsoil, then weathered rock, and way down at the bottom, you have solid rock. It's like a giant layer cake right under our feet that everything grows on. Okay, let's zoom in on that top layer. What is humus, and what's the really important stuff that it's full of? 5 seconds, go. Humus. It's that dark, rich, organic stuff you find in good soil. It's made from old, broken-down plants and animals, and it is packed with nutrients. You can basically think of it as a superfood smoothie for plants. All right, a quick follow-up for you. Out of those 4 layers we just talked about, which one do you think is the most important one for farming? 5 seconds. Topsoil, for sure. That's the layer with all that nutrient-rich humus, and it's where plants' roots do most of their work. Without good topsoil, farming would be almost impossible. Okay, let's switch from soil to rocks for a second. What do we call the process that breaks down giant rocks into tiny little pieces over time? You have 5 seconds. And that process is called weathering. It's just nature, doing its thing, using wind, water, and ice to slowly break down big rocks into smaller bits. It's how soil gets started in the first place. So you know what weathering is. But can you name the 3 different types? Let's see what you remember. You have 5 seconds. And there they are. You've got physical weathering, that's stuff like wind and ice. Then there's chemical weathering, like acid rain. And finally, biological weathering, which is literally living things like plant roots breaking rocks apart. Now, this next one gets confused with weathering all the time, but it's different. So, what is erosion? You've got 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Here's the key. It's all about movement. So, weathering breaks the rock, but erosion is what moves the broken pieces from one place to another. Think of wind and water as the delivery trucks for soil. We're here. The final question. This is for all the glory. What is the absolute best kind of soil for plants to grow in, and what's so bad about soil that's just pure clay or pure sand? You've got 5 seconds to bring it home. And the answer is loam. It's the perfect mix of sand, clay, and that all-important humus. The problem with the others is that clay holds way too much water and can make plants soggy, while sand doesn't hold enough and they dry out. Loam is just right. And with that, you have completed the Great Earth Quiz. You are officially an Earth superstar. Fantastic job, everyone.